What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with only 3 days till the new year. Literally 3 days. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'm grateful for your interest in making money online. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing a lead from Chainlink Labs. That's the company, and they are seeking a recruiting coordinator. This video was recorded at 9:30 a.m. on Tuesday, December 28th, 2021. Like I said, 3 more days until the new year. Now, this is a remote work from home opportunity that you can employ from anywhere in the world. It is full-time and it is an international lead. So you can be hired from any country in the world as long as you have the proper equipment and network connection, internet connection. Now, we're going to jump into this quickly. It is an HR role. And yeah, let's just jump into the meat of the matter. Okay, so all roles with Chainlink Labs are globally remote based. We encourage you to apply regardless of your location. And that's because they may have something for you. Even if this is not the thing, they may have something else for you, right? We are a people team with an exciting mission to hire the world's very best talent to build Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network. Due to the project's phenomenal success, we are going through a period of rapid growth and are quickly scaling up our people team to ramp up our hiring capacity. We're proud to serve our industry-leading team of technologists, entrepreneurs, and community advocates, scouring every corner of the globe to handpick the talent that drives Chainlink's success. We're excited to have an open slot on our team for a recruitment coordinator and are looking for someone who is as motivated as we are to build the team that builds this world-changing technology. This is a career-defining opportunity to be one of the pioneering members of a people team viewed by the business as a critical component in its growth story. If you thrive in a fast-paced and high-stakes environment and have an innate understanding of the finesse that makes for a great candidate experience, we'd love to hear from you. So the impact that you are expected to have, aka the roles you'll play, you'll oversee the candidate experience end to end and make recommendations for improvements. You'll use your organizational skills to manage and drive the team's hiring efforts against challenging deadlines. You'll research candidates and create talent pools. You'll support the team in generating ideas for scouting world-leading talent. You'll organize candidates' data, so resumes, for example, assignments and contact details in internal databases. You will perform background and reference checks. You'll craft and update job descriptions, coordinate interviews, and relationship manage candidates through the process, acting as their advocate. You'll prepare reports on new hire metrics, example, time to fill, time to hire, and source of hire. You'll also assist with new hire onboarding. So that's the process where someone gets hired and then they're taken through a bit of an orientation to get them prepared to start working. So you're bringing them up to speed to get them on board, to get the most effective work out of these people. So examples would be preparing the necessary paperwork and scheduling trainings, as it says there. Now the requirements that the base requirements that they're expecting from you, they want you to have work experience as a talent acquisition coordinator, HR assistant, or similar role, preferably in a tech startup. Now, familiarity with applicant tracking systems and resume databases, ability to prioritize a high volume of incoming work and proactively provide the best candidate experience. Okay. Also, they want you to have excellent organizational, written, and interpersonal skills. the desired qualifications that they're looking for, desired but not necessarily a must-have: familiarity with blockchains, smart contracts, and other decentralized systems. Experience working in a tech startup and or blockchain company. Now at Chainlink Labs, these are some of their principles. They're committed to the key operating principles of ownership, focus, and open dialogue. We practice complete ownership, where everyone goes the extra mile to own outcomes into success. We understand that unflinching focus is a superpower and is how we channel our activity into technological achievements for the benefit of our entire ecosystem. We embrace open dialogue and critical feedback to arrive at an accurate and truthful picture of reality that promotes both personal and organizational growth. Now, a bit about the company. Chainlink is the industry standard Oracle network for connecting smart contracts to the real world. With Chainlink, developers can build hybrid smart contracts that combine on-chain code with an extensive collection of secure off-chain services powered by decentralized Oracle networks. Managed by a global decentralized community of hundreds of thousands of people, Chainlink is introducing a fairer model for contracts. Its network currently secures billions of dollars in value for smart contracts across the decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, insurance, and gaming ecosystems, among others. The full vision of the Chainlink network can be found in the Chainlink 2.0 white paper. Chainlink is trusted by hundreds of organizations, from global enterprises to projects at the forefront of the blockchain economy, to deliver definitive truth via secure, reliable data. Now, if you've never heard of blockchain, you may have heard of Bitcoin, you may have heard of Ethereum, you may have heard of NFTs, and the technology behind all of these is blockchain, right? Blockchain technology. We're not going to go into depth about blockchain technology, but it is one of the biggest things to take the world by storm. More and more people are jumping on it. Gary Vee is pushing to have anime on blockchain. There are a lot of companies and individuals creating non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are digital pieces of art, whether it be imagery, whether it be music, whether it be animated stuff. But people are paying very close attention to blockchain technology, and they are trying their best to cash in before it reaches a point where it's not impossible, but it's more costly to jump in. And so Chainlink, this company, is one of the leading companies that is able to put together smart contracts on blockchain technology. Okay? Now, back to the role. This role is location agnostic, anywhere in the world, but we ask that you overlap some working hours with Eastern Standard Time. We are a fully distributed team and have the tools and benefits to support you in your remote work environment. Chainlink Labs is an equal opportunity employer. And if you want an equal opportunity to get this role, you need to apply, just like everybody else. So you press this button, the application will pop up, fill in the fields. They will ask you for resumes and cover letters and so forth. And if you have issues with that, you can check out a website called Canva. I've made it easy for you. It is the second link in the description below. The first link tells you about a way you can start your own automated online business. Right? Okay. And even if you have a job that you love, it is best to have more than one stream of income. The best thing about this opportunity that I'm telling you about in the first link is that you don't need more than an hour or two per day. Literally. All right? So apply for this role. Share it with someone you know who would be interested. Even if they aren't and they're interested in blockchain tech, they might be interested in just getting in because of that. Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. Hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever a money-making video comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your holidays. Happy New Year when it comes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.